NVK High Precision. Left-right sorting checkweigher. Target value 3.8 grams. Error of 0.2 gram. Division is 0.05 gram. Sample weighing 3.8 grams qualified. 4.0 grams. 3.5 grams underweight. 3.6 grams also within the qualified range. 4.1 grams overweight. Let's test the repeatability of 3.8 grams. The repeatability is very stable. Then we try the other two qualified samples. 4.0 grams. 3.6 grams. All within the qualified range. Very precise. Unqualified test. 4.1 grams sorted to the right. 3.5 grams to the right. Mixed test. We mix qualified and unqualified together to see if it can be detected. The required speed is 30 pcs per min. Let's test it. It's already 30 pieces.
Woo!
Take a look at the database. Perfect.